Hi, welcome to Rated R Car Reviews. Today we are talking about ThiEYE. Very small, very compact, very high quality, very reasonably priced dash camera, which is also a stylish dash cam. You know, you have all these dash cams hanging from your windshield. You may as well have one that actually looks nice with your car. You go out and buy a super expensive sports car and then you have this ugly dash cam hanging on it. It's not a very good thing. So I was glad that they put this out. It's got a really unique circular shape to it. I gotta say that looking out from the windshield of my GT350, it really looks good, especially with this little orange circle on it. It has like a sporty kind of look to it. On the back you have a full high definition screen, which you can use to change your settings, adjust the angle of the camera, etc. That has a screensaver on it, so of course it turns off after a while. So this dash camera has a super wide angle, it has wide dynamic range, has loop recording, a parking monitor, G-sensor, so if someone hits your car or whatever, it has that emergency recording, so it starts recording. It has clear night vision, what they call Safeel 0. And you get a lot for the very affordable price of under $35. So this pretty much takes a pretty awesome 1080p dash cam and puts it in the hands of people who may not have $200–300 to drop on a high-end unit. You have pretty much all the bells and whistles that you could ask for in this unit for less than $35. So I'm going to give this unit a 5-star review. For the price point, you have some pretty high quality features here, and I think that it's pretty cool to put, good technology into the hands of people, students or whatever, who may not have, a couple $100 to drop on a more expensive dash cam. Let's take a look at it in action. So giving it 5 stars, highly recommended. And remember, when you get out of your car, it's always good to know that the eye is watching. All right guys, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary. No matter what you do, always go flat out.